The ingredients for the sweet corn millet soup are sweet corn, finger millet flour, pink Himalayan salt, and soy sauce. Take a wok and add a cup of frozen sweet corn. Now add 500 ml of water. Now, is frozen sweet corn good for you? Yes, saving them when picked keeps their nutrients intact just like fresh ones. Now we will cook the corns for 4 minutes on medium heat. Sweet corn, native to Central America, is loaded with protein, fiber, beta-carotene, omega-3 fatty and amino acids. 100 grams of it contains almost 96 calories. Finger millet is gluten-free and rich in protein. It contains potassium and calcium and is also rich in fiber. It helps in weight loss, is good for bones and teeth, and also boosts hemoglobin levels. Take 2.5 tablespoons of millet flour. Add half a cup of water to it and whisk simultaneously. Whisk well. Now add this mixture and stir properly. Here, the millet flour would create a nice binding and will bring all the ingredients together. Cook for another 12 to 15 minutes. Add salt to taste. This is the consistency that we are looking for. Now time for the final touch. Grab a bowl, pour in some soup, and then finally add in some soy sauce, but the soy sauce is optional. If you liked the video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.